Are you tired of carrying around excess belly fat? Well, today I have good news for you. Losing belly fat is not just about working out, it's also about what you eat. In this video, I'm going to share with you some simple yet powerful tips on how to eat to lose belly fat. By following these tips, you'll not only get a flatter belly, but also feel healthier and more energized. So without further delay, let's get started. 1. Eat a diet rich in protein. When you eat a diet that's high in protein, it can help to reduce your appetite and make you feel fuller for longer. This means you may end up eating fewer calories overall, which can lead to weight loss, including a reduction in belly fat. Additionally, protein is important for building and maintaining muscle, which can help to increase your metabolism and burn more calories throughout the day. So aim to include protein-rich foods like lean meats, fish, eggs, beans, and nuts in your diet to support your weight loss goals and reduce belly fat. 2. Limit your intake of processed foods. Processed foods are often high in calories, unhealthy fats, and sugar, which can contribute to weight gain and make it harder to lose belly fat. These foods also tend to be low in nutrients, which means that they don't provide much nutritional value. By limiting your intake of processed foods, you can reduce your overall calorie intake, improve the quality of your diet, and help to promote weight loss, especially in the belly area. 3. Avoid sugary drinks. Avoiding sugary drinks is an effective way to reduce belly fat. Sugary drinks such as soda, energy drinks, and fruit juices can be high in calories and sugar, which can lead to weight gain and increased belly fat. Instead, it's best to stick to water, herbal tea, or other low-calorie, unsweetened beverages. 4. Eat plenty of fruits and vegetables. Eating plenty of fruits and vegetables can help you lose belly fat as they are low in calories but high in fiber and nutrients. Fiber helps you feel full, which can reduce your overall calorie intake, while the nutrients in fruits and vegetables can support overall health and well-being. 5. Avoid late-night eating. Late-night eating can interfere with your body's natural digestive process and disrupt your sleep patterns. It's best to avoid eating too close to bedtime to give your body enough time to properly digest your food and allow for a restful night's sleep. Late-night eating can lead to weight gain, especially around the belly area, and disrupt your sleep pattern. 6. Drink plenty of water. Drinking plenty of water can help you lose belly fat. Water is essential for digestion, and it can help you feel full, which can reduce your overall calorie intake. Additionally, drinking water can help you stay hydrated, which is important for overall health and well-being. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water per day, and consider replacing sugary drinks with water to further reduce your calorie intake. 7. Be mindful of your overall calorie intake. Being mindful of your overall calorie intake means paying attention to the total number of calories you consume throughout the day. This involves being aware of the calorie content of the foods and drinks you consume, and making sure you don't exceed your daily recommended calorie intake. By tracking your calorie intake and making adjustments as needed can aid in losing belly fat. In conclusion, eating a healthy and balanced diet is crucial when it comes to losing belly fat. These small changes can add up and make a big difference in achieving your weight loss goals. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with others who may benefit from this information. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and videos. Thank you for watching.